Hello students! It's been quite a while since our last automated pattern templates Affinity Designer course. Today we are diving into checkered patterns. Checkered patterns with 2 and 5 variable elements. It's going to be a lot of fun. On top of that, we're putting a big focus on global colors, which makes tweaking your designs super easy and keeps everything looking very polished. In case you don't know me, my name is Weronika Salach. I'm a freelance illustrator and surface pattern designer, currently based in Germany. And so far, I have released 7 Affinity-related online courses. In this class, we will be creating 2 checkered repeat patterns with a Christmas motif, a must in every pattern portfolio. This course is super practice-oriented with very little theory. We will dive straight into it, create our automated pattern templates from scratch, and then design 2 checkered patterns with vector design tools, such as the rectangle tool, the pencil tool, and the pen tool. We will also refresh our knowledge about vector assets and the assets library, and we will get very comfortable with utilizing global colors and document color palettes in Affinity Designer. You can take this class on Skillshare if you already have the monthly subscription, or you can get it for a one-time payment in my online shop on Gumroad. I will include all the links in the description box below. Let's jump in and start creating together.